always mention essential oils on the channel, but this week we decided to talk about how they are important in the treatment of joint pains and issues like arthritis and arthrosis. Extracted from different parts of plants, including the roots, stems, leaves, flowers, or fruits, essential oils are used ever since ancient times for healing and aromatherapy. The pain and swelling caused by arthritis or by the inflammation of joints are some of the biggest discomforts a person can experience. Combining vegetable and essential oils that have anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, analgesic, and regenerative functions can help you alleviate these awful pains. Learn 2 amazing synergy blends to improve your joints. Synergy Blend 1. Have you ever heard about copaiba? We have a video about copaiba on our channel. If you want to learn more about it, click on the suggested video. But the truth is that this oil is so amazing for the joints that we are going to use it both as a vegetable oil and essential oil for our first synergy. The vegetable oil of copaiba is very efficient for cell regeneration as an anti-inflammatory and antibiotic. In this case, it will be used as a carrier to dilute the essential oils, as it allows the small molecules to be spread over the skin to intensify their penetration. In its essential oil version, copaiba is recommended for people who suffer from joint issues such as bursitis, arthritis, arthrosis, rheumatism, and tendinitis. Being highly anti-inflammatory and analgesic, the essential oil of copaiba helps relax the nerves and tendons, reducing constant pains. The white sucupira essential oil is a potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, analgesic, and antibiotic, very useful for pain. It is very efficient to treat arthrosis, arthritis, fibromyalgia, bursitis, tendinitis, contusions, muscle distensions, and rheumatism. Isn't it amazing? Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are contributing to you and your health. To make this synergy blend, you will need 1 ounce copaiba vegetable oil, 5 drops copaiba essential oil, 5 drops white sucupira essential oil. Now you just need to mix the ingredients in an amber glass bottle and apply over the affected areas 3 times a day. In a week, you will already notice an improvement in your joints. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help our channel. Synergy Blend 2, Avocado and Lavender. This is, without any doubt, one of the most used oil in aromatherapy. You certainly know or have heard about at least one benefit of lavender, haven't you? With analgesic, antiseptic, and cytophylatic qualities, the lavender essential oil is rejuvenating and healing. It also relaxes, balances, acts against insomnia, and regulates the nervous system to fight stress, depression, and anxiety. Avocado oil is ideal for hydration, accelerates healing, prevents acne, stimulates collagen production, prevents wrinkles, and lessens fine lines. Besides that, most of its benefits are thanks to the properties of beta-sitosterol, which is a bactericide, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. For this synergy blend, you will need 1 ounce avocado oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil. To make it, mix the 2 oils and apply over the affected area, massaging gently until the skin absorbs the oil completely. If you prefer, add the oil mixture in 34 ounces of hot water and with a towel, make a hot compress on the area for 10 to 20 minutes, according to your pain. So, what do you think of the recipes? Did you know any of them already? Try them and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.